All right, starting on the outside of this boat, you have docking lights up front, retractable cleats, a Bimini top, red main exterior color with black accents, a black hull bottom, and black decals. And this boat is sitting on a Boatmate tandem axle trailer. Coming around the back, you have your Swell Surf System and Supra wake plate, both from Super Boats as well as Auto Wake. Coming around the starboard side of the boat, you get another great view of how beautiful this boat really is. As we step inside, you've got storage back here for ropes or whatever else, wet life jackets you might want to put in there. Up top, you have 4 JL88 tower speakers and Roswell swivel board racks. Inside, you've got this flip-up seat with cup holders, tons of storage under this port side, and under the starboard side, you've got your cooler, which is removable. Another little storage spot right there as well. In each back locker, tons of storage as well as plug-and-play ballast bags. Underneath the love seat, you've got your battery switch and 2 amps as well as tons of storage again. And coming to the helm is where Supra really stands out with their steering wheel. They've got controls for your trim tabs and your cruise control on the back of the steering wheel, and button controls on the steering wheel. Toggle switches on the left, more toggle switches on the right, volume control, ballast control, and a touch screen as well, and your power adjustable seat. And up front, this traditional bow has a surprising amount of space with a bow filler cushion, 6 cup holders, and 2 speakers as well. Finally, this boat is powered by the Indmar Raptor 440 engine.